Hi, welcome to another video. This time it's something slightly different to my usual videos as it's my very first unboxing video. So what's in the box? It is a Petrolicious founding members kit. For those of you who don't know who or what Petrolicious is, it's kind of a company that started making like nicely edited videos of classic cars and rare cars, exotic cars and things, and has grown into more of like an online magazine slash shop. So they bring together some sort of driving focused luxury brands that make watches like this one, Autodromo Stradale, as well as like driving gloves, shoes, helmets, artwork, model cars, etc, etc. And they have recently decided to start a membership program. There's a few tiers of membership, the top one being a founding member, and essentially what that is you get membership to exclusive videos about classic cars, exotic cars, whatever, rare cars, as well as a quarterly publication. It's probably unfair to call it a magazine. It's very sort of nicely put together sort of book slash magazine with lots of nice pictures and articles and that kind of thing. And they've also tried to, I guess, get more involved in events. So there will be special Petrolicious events or areas for Petrolicious members to go at bigger events, either like exclusive areas or parking or reduced entry price or whatever. So yeah, effectively what differentiates the founding members package from the top tier membership is that it's a one-time fee. So this was quite expensive, I think almost $600, don't tell the wife, and that's basically a one-time fee, forever sort of membership, and you get some exclusive stuff in your welcome kit, which is what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so here's the box, and I apologise if I knock this camera. It's right in front of me. I've never done an unboxing video before, so just trying a bit of a first time setup here. What I've noticed in a lot of unboxing videos is that people tend to have quite fancy things that they use to slice open boxes and all sorts of either fancy knives or sticks or whatever, but I'm going to use my MGB ignition key. Seems fitting based on the fact it's a sort of car focused thing that I'm opening. So let's have a look. And we're met with a lovely red box with the Petrolicious logo on it. And let's see if we can have a look inside. Right, so nicely packaged. Got what looks like some stickers here. Founding member stickers. I'm guessing you only get these in this pack, but yeah, very, very good. Probably find a place to put those on one of my cars. A card saying thank you and welcome. This seems to be a cap. I'm not really into caps, but it's nice that they've got a special founding member stitching on the side there. Yes, and the Petrolicious logo on the back. That's pretty cool. Oh, not the camera, I knew I'd do that. Yeah, so my SD card ran out of memory there, so yeah, I knew something like this would happen, so rookie mistake. I'll continue now. The thing that people are making a big fuss about, the founding members kit, was I think what's inside this box. Petrolicious went to quite a lot of effort to bring something special to people who opted into the founding members package, and what I think is in here is a grille badge for your car, but it's been made at a place, I think in Italy, where they produce badges for a lot of the sort of Italian prestigious marques. So a lot of famous names there, I forget which ones, but we'll have a look at this and see what it looks like. So yeah, it looks like a pretty sort of high quality badge here. Just take it out and have a look. So I'm guessing there's some like mounting hardware to put this behind your grill, but this is a really nicely finished badge, and would actually feel a bit scared of putting this on my car because somebody might nick it, or I'll end up crashing it or something, and it will be gone then forever and won't be able to get a replacement. And the other thing that's in this box, which I've just noticed, is this teeny tiny pin badge. I won't take it off here at the moment because I'll probably lose the bits, but if you can see that, that's a pretty cool and quite subtle little pin badge. I guess you can put it on your lapel when you go to these events that they're hosting. In here it seems like is the sort of mounting hardware, and I think this is the company that makes it. I think it's OMEA. Yeah, it says Milano and Roma. Milan and Rome, I guess, in Italy. Yeah, which is super cool. I mean, that's a great thing a great memento to have. I mean, still don't know whether this kit itself represents, you know, $600 worth of merchandise, but certainly, you know, it makes you feel like you're joining something with a bit of quality behind it, producing things like this. And here's a card about the company that made it. So yeah, so effectively produce badges like cufflinks or jewellery by marques such as Ferrari, Lamborghini and Alfa Romeo. So yeah, you can't really get much better than that, which is great. And then it talks about special episode or bit of film that they've got online for members to watch, which is really cool. So what else is in this box? Let's lift this up, and it is the quarterly publication. So I believe they intended to send this out a lot earlier than they actually did. I've been waiting ages for this founding members package to arrive, and in the meantime they've actually issued a copy of this quarterly publication called Drive Tastefully, which is kind of their slogan. And I've already had a look at it. It's really nice thing to read. But yeah, as kind of like a sorry for waiting, they kind of sent out copies of that early, so I've got two now. Probably one to remain in cellophane as a kind of collector's item, I guess, whereas I can flick through the other one and leave it on a coffee table or whatever. But that's essentially it. I thought I'd make this video because people might have been intrigued as to what was actually included in this package. So yeah, a little insight there into Petrolicious membership. Now I think if you actually go for the top tier membership, which isn't the founding member one, I think you get most of this stuff anyway, save for the like badge for the car, which I think is kind of the main thing. But then you have to pay something like $100 a year. So it seems to me that if it's around for, you know, a few years, then you kind of break even on your money fairly quickly, and you get some cool stuff in the meantime. But you only miss out if you go for the premium membership on it's like a bit of a sort of a kind of collector's badge, but you still get all of the sort of premium perks going to events and things like that, I should imagine. But yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Not any actual cars in this one, but I hope you liked it all the same. And I'll be back with some more car-focused content very soon.